If you're searching for an affordable air conditioning system for your needs, Pioneer has a new range of products that include air conditioners that offer cooling and heating versatility with a standard 115-volt power outlet. Pioneer's WYS012-17 is a ductless wall-mounted inverter air conditioner that, with its electronic controls, offers you full control to its capacity range and speed of its compressor to meet your desired temperatures for your rooms. With its 12,000 BTU rating, it's guaranteed to keep your rooms icy cool in the summer, making the summer heat virtually non-existent. The indoor and outdoor fans run relatively quiet. The temperature regulation system ensures that your air conditioner will provide smoothly while not raising energy consumption and electricity bills. It has a superb seasonal energy efficiency rating from 16 to 18, ensuring that you'll have a low energy expenditure rate. If you're worried about cold months as well, the Pioneer WYS012-17's heat pump ensures that your rooms will stay warm in cold winters, all with the easy-to-use temperature control system. The indoor section of this unit is ductless and has a sleek and elegant design. It will look attractive in any room and won't interfere with your design choices. It's also pretty light, weighing only 19 pounds. Compared to the average air conditioners featuring a standard and industrial look, this one aims to satisfy your eyes as well. The Pioneer WYS012-17 is also extremely quiet, provided by the Whisper Quiet fans, ensuring you won't have any noise pollution. With its silence, it can be a great addition to your master bedroom, allowing for a seamless and comfortable sleep. Provided with the air conditioner is the multifunctional wireless infrared remote controller with an LED screen that helps control the unit. The WYS012-17 provides a large number of features and functions that'll fulfill all your needs with ease. Whether you need a good air conditioner for the summer or the winter, it does both jobs really well. And it's also powerful enough that you can put it into commercial use without a hitch. Leaving a large number of buyers satisfied and with big positive feedback, it's safe to recommend this product to everyone.